Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to just give you a quiet tour through part of my main garden. I have other gardens and I have a nursery where I have plants that are suffering or need extra attention and sproutlets that I'm starting still. But for today's purposes, I'm just going to show you what's happening in the main garden. So I have this little walkway that you probably have never seen before, which is beautiful. This is a snapdragon patch, and I've trimmed some of them down because I heard you get double blooms that way, so I'm doing an experiment. These are our sunflowers, the row, and some zinnias. It's important to add flowers so that you have pollinators that come to visit. Tomatoes, the Asiatic lilies. Today is June 16th, Father's Day, so this is where we are. I love the spring garden because everything is so muted and pastel colors. The real colors will be coming in later in a couple of weeks. Here's the feverfew that I had purchased from that roadside stand. I put in that container. Now here contains those white globe zinnias and those burgundy chocolate cherry sunflowers. So I'm hoping for white and burgundy in that box or bed. Here's just a new relaxing little coffee nook setup that I set up to write in my garden journal and just to escape everybody. Now here I'm turning back and I'm going to walk through the main walkway of the bigger garden here. I have some other garden projects going on, but I'll share those with you soon. But I just wanted us to have an idea of where we are at this point. Here is my little pond that has been completely overgrown by the lemon balm. So I think I'm going to do what the lady did at the roadside stand and put some of that out at the road. I've put it for free. Cucumbers, they're trellising, and I haven't even taped them or guided them. They're just trellising, which is amazing. We're going to have some beautiful cucumber towers. Yellow squash, and there's actually a yellow squash on one of them. If you remember, those are my morning glory towers. They're coming along. They're taking a little longer than I thought, but they're coming. Potatoes. First time trying potatoes. We'll see how that goes. Another experiment. Peppers. They're not doing that great. I'm not that good at peppers, but we're trying. And this is that amethyst in the night plant that I rescued from Home Depot, and you can see I cut it all down and it's starting to bloom back up. A couple more snapdragons in the wheelbarrow. And the star of the show is coming up, which is my pumpkin that I started with 4 for $1 seeds from the dollar store. She is a beauty right there. There's 3 in there, but the one in the middle there, that's just all one plant. Every day she doubles. Some more tomatoes. Those are cherry tomatoes. And then my mess of a garden hose. And then our favorite girl, Duchess. Have a great weekend. Thank you for being here.